Hi, how are you? Today we are going to draw a thumbs and a love sign. For this, let's start drawing. For the thumbs, first we draw a straight line like this, and we draw a parallel line with the previous one. Then we draw three of the fingers like this. This is the second one, and the third one we draw here. All right. So you can see that this shape is getting nice, and we draw a curved line, looks like a half circle, and draw it. And the thumbs up, it's like in this side and connect with another curved line. See, the hand is done. Yep. Now we're going to put a love sign here, deep and dark. This is like a symbolic drawing, very significant, very nice. Now we're going to put a nice color for the heart. It's the pink color. We're going to put here nice pink for the heart. It's a nice winter evening, and I'm doing a very nice drawing. All right, so heart is complete. Let's put the orange color for the hands. All right, for these thumbs, let's put another orange color. All the shades, those are very uniform. In some cases we may see some textures, but this is the beautification of the drawings, nothing to worry. As you know, we are humans, so nothing is 100% perfect, so we always try to draw as best as possible. So thumbs up. Here we can use the pencils to show the borders little deeper and the corners. Alright, so hands drawing is almost done. And the heart, we also make the feelings at the outside border, like a more depth we are going to put here. Alright, so the drawing is complete. Thanks for watching. I hope you like the video. Please do the practice and subscribe the channel. Have a good day.